Hello guys, in this short video I'll show you how to log into AikSphere's ELog. Now you will need some information before you start. Number one, you will need group ID, driver IDs. Number two, number three is the password. So you need all this information from your company. If you don't have it, please do get it from them. They will assign you this information and you can then enter it to start the process. So I'm going to go ahead and enter what I've been assigned. So for example, my group ID is AikSphere2. The driver I've been given for this demonstration is Sam. I'm going to go ahead and enter that. And then I'll go ahead and enter the password. 7. Once you have entered all this information, click register. So it is now logging in. So basically, the next screen you'll see is this here. So once it's logged in, what it's trying to do is, if you had previously used this book, it's trying to connect to truck number 101. Now, if this is not your truck, then you will click on choose. So by clicking on choose, you will get a list of all the available trucks in your company. Now it may happen that you do not see the truck that you're trying to connect with. So in that case, you'll again have to call your dispatch or the safety rep, someone who's responsible for e-logs, and let them know that you're not seeing the truck in the list. So they will add the truck on our portal, and then you will see it here in the list. Now let's assume you're sitting in truck number, you see the truck that's been assigned to you, and it's truck number 101. So you would click your truck and then it will then come back here. It will show you the truck number. It will pull the VIN number. It will pull the odometer. At the same time, it will also give you the city and the state you are in currently as you're logging in. Now, if you do not see the city or the state, that means your GPS connection on the tablet is not so good. You may want to check your Wi-Fi connection. And also, if you do not see VIN number or the odometer, that means you're not connected to the ELD properly. So in that scenario, on the top right hand side, you will see two letters BL. Now BL is pretty much the color of BL has to be in blue if it's a good connection. If that is if BL is showing you red, that means the connection between the ELD and your app on the tablet is bad. So in that scenario, in most of the cases, the ELD is plugged out or not powered on. So please make sure your ELD is plugged into the truck's ECM adapter and it's powered up. Once it's powered up properly, you will definitely see blue color BL here, which means there's a strong and good connection. Once you have the BL, blue BL color, you will once again definitely you will get odometers, city and state, etc. all pre-filled for you. Now the next thing to do is enter your manifest number. This is your bill of lading number, and I would highly suggest you enter this. As I've seen, drivers getting tickets for not having this entered. So please do enter it if you have it. Next thing to do is enter your trailer number and the plate number. So in my scenario, I'm using trailer number 501, then slash the plate number, which is 123SDS. These are just made up numbers, but that is what you need to do. So once you have all this information and the BL is blue, click on login. Once you click on login, the system is now loading your logbook, and you will see, depending on if what the situation is, in your case, you may see the cycle screen, you may not see it. So in my scenario, it's asking me, okay, what cycle do I need, do I want to be in? So I will go ahead and select cycle 1. Now you may select cycle 2, 1, that depends on your scenario. So anyways, once I've selected my cycle, once again, BL is blue. That means I have a good connection. Cycle 1, 70 hours, I have that. My shift is 14 hours, 13 hours of drive time, I have that available. Now in Canada, we also have a day rule, which is another rule besides the shift. So we have 14-hour, 13-hour there as well. The reason for, so I have uh, full hours basically within my shift and the day and my cycle. So moving on, this is how you log in. So the login process is pretty much complete. The next thing for you to do would be to do your pre-trip. Um, to do that, you would click on this button right here and select your on duty, and then within on duty you will then click on pre-trip, etc., or fueling, etc., and we will cover that in the next video, which is about switching between different shift statuses. So anyways, this is how you log on into this system, into AikSphere's ELD. This is where we will finish the video. So thank you very much. If you do have any questions, please visit our website, which is aiksphere.com.